Hello, Matrix community members. It is December, end of the year of 2021, and I hope you have enjoyed a very good holiday with your beloved ones. And did you miss our film event? And did you watch our Christmas videos? If you haven't, please visit our YouTube link and also our Telegram main group and have the details of that. And we will have more events upcoming. Today is 28th of December, and as usual, we are having this AMA with our CEO, Mr. Owen Tao, to join us. Okay, hi, Owen.
Hi, Eric. Hi, community.
Okay, good to have you here, and thanks for your time. So, how's your holiday? I mean, the Christmas holiday. How is it in China, and how do you spend the holiday with your family?
I think due to the COVID-19 and there not too many people on the street. On the holiday, I took my daughter to join an event which allows of the children they work together to build a Christmas tree and everyone make up have made a Christmas light by themselves. Yeah, I think it's very interesting. Yeah.
Okay, good. So you have a daughter. Okay, good.
Yeah.
You must be a good father too. All right. So I would like to divide this AMA videos into two sections. The section one is about the roadmap delivery, and then the second part will be about the some questions from the community and our pub. I hope you can enlighten me. So let's start with the easy one, the roadmap one. So for December, we are at the stage three of our roadmap. So we have a couple things to deliver. Could you advise us how is it going with all the deliverables? Number one is the 10 AI applications on mainnet. Could you update us on that, please?
Yes, the first important part for the stage 3 is the manners. We have already finished the 10 artificial intelligence applications on the manners platform, and after we launch it, we will invite the community to join our testing work. After the testing work, we would like to open this version of the manners to the public for business use. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So aside from the 5 AI applications that we have made available for test from the community members, we have another 5. So a total of 10 AI applications that we have finished developing and put to the mainnet already. And as usual, the community will welcome you to join us to test the total of 10 applications. We will have announcement on that, so stay tuned for that. So the second thing is about the Manta. So we were, could you ask on the second item, that is the Manta available on Matrix platform?
It's in the last quarter, the Manta has been tested by the community and also some people who are with the AI background, and we have collected lots of the good suggestions. We will select someone for us to improve our Manta system. And another good news is the Manta has been will be used by some potential partners, such as there are some universities labs want to use the Manta system, and also ecosystem projects such as the artist. In order to best fit for such use, we will internally fine-tune the whole system to adapt the user's requirement of such. Therefore, we will adjust the official launch of Manta. I think it's not a delay. Before the official launch, if anyone who want to or so anyone in our community or other potential partners who would like to test or use Manta, we are welcome them to join us. Yeah.
Okay, so in a nutshell, so Manta is available on the mainnet, but we haven't official launched it because we have to adjust, do some adaptation to the user requirement from the potential partners such as the universities and also the AI artists. So they have their user requirements. So we want to best fit them, and that's why we have the adjust of the official launch schedule. But before then, if you still want to test the Manta or use the Manta, just let us know. We were open for you to use. Just no problem with that. So yeah, so this about the Manta. And then the third thing is about the authentication platform for MainArt. Yeah, MainArt is, I think, it's taken care of by the ecosystem project AI artists. I think, yeah, open, could you provide more details on that, please?
Yes, in ManArt, it has two core functions. The first one is Mania and another one is Manga. The authentication function has been available in the form of Mania, which the community has tested back in the stage, yes, in the last quarter. And another, we have one good ecosystem partners who found the beauty of ManArt, and then they'd like to take up this job and working on artist, yeah, which will take the place of the manga. I think they will release the official website very soon and give the community more information about this project.
Okay, that's good. So the project team of the Matrix will focus on the mainnet or the or the yeah the mainnet. So we hand over these AI artists to and to a partner. They find the beauty of the main art and they name it as AI artist. So I think we have an article on the website and also Medium for details. Just please refer to that article. I think it's very clear and it has huge potential. So it's best to be handled by a specific and independent project team for that bit. Yeah. So I think that makes sense. And then follow on the NFT trading platform for main art. How is it?
Yeah, yeah, we have finished finished the NFT trading function develop work for Mania, and in the future we will release an article to introduce how to mint the NFT and how to treat them. Yeah, and the trading function of the for the artist will be developed by the artist team.
Okay, so the trading platform is also available, right? But just like Menta, we are fine-tuning some user requirement for in order the best fit for the AI artists, for their user requirement. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Good. So I think the AI artists will take up a huge portion of the job of main art, and we, the Matrix project team, will focus on the development and maintenance of the mainnet. So that's the case. Okay, and last item, the synchronization of Filecoin distributed storage platform. I think you have mentioned that in November AMA, but yeah, please advise on this bit again.
Yeah, I think we will keep our own IPFS decentralized storage system as same as Euro for a while, and I think we are talking with some other partners who have some good productions in the decentralized storage, and we have to test all of them, and I think maybe we will choose one from them, and maybe we will also we will still keep the IPFS in matrix by our own. Yeah, we will make a choice after we have to do more testing work.
Okay, so for this part, perhaps the Filecoin is not an ideal solution to us, and we have tested several options to replace the Filecoin. So we will continue to use the IPFS as the solution, and still we are trying to test others. But this will not affect the Manta or Mania or Mainnet thing. So and if there is a need, we will still switch to IPFS and test out which it will be the ideal solution for us. So yeah. So in a nutshell, so stage three, more than 10 AI applications okay, we have completed that. And Mentor available on Matrix platform. Yes, that have been available, and we are testing or fine tuning the functions and features to best fit with the potential partners such as the universities and also the AI artists. And likewise for the authentication platform for mainnet and also the ML trading platform, they are available fine tuning, and we will have the article on the NFT trading and also how to do the minting soon. And for the synchronization with Filecoin, it can be done anytime, but we found this solution is not the ideal, and we are testing and we will keep using IPFs for now, and it will have no effect to the system, the functions of the systems of the mainnets, manias, etc. And for the mainnets, the 10 AI applications, we welcome the community members to join us for having fun with the tests. And for mentors, yes, please do use it. If you need it, just let us know. So let it conclude the first part of this MA to sum up the deliverables of stage three. So basically, we are on track. For those who which we haven't officially launched it because we have partners and have user requirements. We want to perfect it, and then after they adopt it, and we will have the official launch for that. And so stay tuned with the AI artists, and we will have updates about the partnerships with the university from time to time to have transparency for the community members. Thanks. So shall we go on to part two of this AMA, Owen? Do you need a coffee break?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. All right. So uh, this time we have uh, about 8 questions from the communities. And from the questions, we can see the trends of the blockchain or the fintech shifting from the blockchain as a technology to metaverse applications. So we will ask questions one by one. Yeah, okay. So question one, Owen. Hello. Um, when will the block production rewards for miners be halved? Uh, I don't know what exactly does it mean, halving date long. This question is from Omar 55. Owen.
Yeah, I think the next time the rewards for the miners will be reduced. It should be happened at the block height with 9 million block heights. The rewards will reduced by 15%. I think it will happen in 10 or 11 months. Yeah.
Okay, so about 10 to 11 months, the reward will be halved, and the percentage is about 15%. Okay, so Omar, so for those who raise questions and selected in AMA, if we haven't answered your questions thoroughly, just keep PM us so that we can give more pictures because from certain words we may not understand 100%, but we are willing to go for that, yeah, and to answer your question. And then the second question is, hi Owen, how is work on Q4 roadmap going? Only a month left with the first version of mainnet and Menta go live on mainnet this year. This question from Elf. I think you just cover it. So You may have to repeat your answer.
Yeah, we have finished the work for the Manus and Manta this year, and the Manus will be business open use after the community testing. Yeah, we will do an open testing after we launch this version. For the Manta, in fact, we have already have some partners who has started to use the Manta. Yeah, we will not to do the open business operations before we have finished the requirement for the partners who want to make some changes about with the Manta, and both of them has been alive on our mainnet this year. Yeah.
Okay, good. So it's on mainnet already, and maybe we finished here. Basically, just a few days left. So it will be on the mainnet. So no question about that. And the good news is we have the collaboration opportunity with universities, and also we have the ecosystem AI artists. They will make use of the Manta, the system. So we have to best fit for their user requirements, and that's it. Um, Question three, Mazer, when can I use my GPU miner on Matrix blockchain?
After the Manta official launches, you will get rewards when your node's GPU has been used by the third parties. Yeah.
I don't quite get it, Owen. Sorry. Could you give more details on this bit?
Yeah, because after the Manta launches, we'll have some partners who will rent our GPU algorithm powers in our mainnet. So if your GPU has been rented by someone, you will get paid by them. Yeah, that's how the Manta will run. Yeah.
Okay, so there is not a clear timetable on the when, so-called, but it
Yeah.
will be live together with Manta going live, so to speak. So Manta is now used by the AI artists, and if I may remember correctly, their website will be released soon, right, Owen?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So community, stay tuned for that. And the GPU mining thing will go live together with Manta. Um, the next questions, as a community, we know that our AI is active in many areas and we have studies. When will we update the data on CoinMarketCap in order to be useful to the community and our project? What should you update and when will you update the text sections such as GameFi, DeFi, Metaverse, Matrix Ecosystem Platform? This is from Sami Hamuslu.
Yeah, that's a good suggestions. We will contact the CoinMarketCap to add more target about our project. I think the DeFi, the Metaverse, also the AI and the decentralized computing. I think lots of the targets we will add to the CoinMarketCap, and which I think all of them are suitable for Matrix project. Yeah.
Okay, good. So we will work on, we will contact with CMC and then the update the text. And as to when, again, it will depends on CMC. We will contact them and then see when they can update for us, and we'll keep chasing them, pushing them to update. If something that we can do within our control, then we will definitely do for it. And thanks for your suggestion, Semi Muslu. Okay. A question from Meza again. Uh, uh, Similar questions. Hello, Owen. Will validation master looks use the GPU or will it stay with the CPU only? Thank you and have happy holiday.
Happy holidays to you too. I think the GPU for is not very important for the validator nodes. Yeah, so I think that the CPU is the most important for the validator master nodes. So I think just stay with the GPU will be fine.
Okay, just to be clear, you are saying that stay with the CPU for now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So for the GPU thing, just as you shared earlier, so it will go live together with the Manta, right? When Manta go live with the AI artist.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. And go on. Question from Dang MB. As far as I understand, there will be 10 applications available this month as planned. Can you share a more detailed plan on how to deploy those apps? Will it be all 10 at once or something different? And how would you think that plan will affect the ecosystem's situation?
Yeah, I think yeah, you can use the Minus platform, Viva. You can use the application directly on our website, and also you can use package the API into your applications or your website to use our artificial intelligence applications. Yeah, there will be 10 applications launchings on the Minus by the end of this year. And I think in the future, if we have run this business well, there will be lots of the clients to use our AI service, and it will give the miners more rewards, and also, yeah, the applications developer will get rewards too. And if the applications are developed by us, it means by Matrix team, all the revenue will be burned. Yeah, and I think that will reduce the circulation for the Mancoin. Yeah.
Okay, I see. So clear. So we will have 10 applications available at one time. So as we mentioned earlier, you are free to test it. Just let us know, and we will have announcement just as usual to inform the what will be the procedure like. And I think we have mentioned that the mainnet is a platform. Currently, the project team develop the AI applications, and in the long run, it depends on the AI artists and or the like to develop more AI application instead of centralized bodies such as the major project team to develop those. And that makes the platform different from us. So you can refer to our another article, what does Matrix different from other project. I think that have that will give you a clear picture on this. Yeah. And as how to use it, you can use it directly on the mainnet. And if you are a merchant or a business, you can use your API to connect to the applications on mainnet. Be it one applications, 10 applications, be it from developed by the Matrix team or by the AI scientists who develop the algorithms. Just feel free to use that, and that is part of the function of the main coin and also the ecosystem. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for all the questions for about the deliveries. So I think there are some questions which are quite interesting. So currently, Metaverse platform are in the limelight. Could you be a future partner in a Metaverse project integrated with your AI project? Question from Tataroglu. Interesting, right? Not just the deliverables.
Yeah. We have some plan in the metaverse, and also how say we have talked with some partners. We can do some things in the metaverse industry together. Yeah, I think maybe in the beginning of the 2022, we will release our plan. How will Matrix do in the metaverse? How what role will Matrix act? And maybe you can get a whole production matrix for what we will do in this industry. Yeah, and I think you will get more details in the near future.
Yeah, I think Tata Blue raised a very interesting question on the metaverse, and metaverse indeed uh, is quite a strategic area that the Matrix will focus on for the coming year. And as a matter of fact, we have been approached by partners, and I think just today we received a proposal to build the metaverse together with Matrix, but it's just in the early stage, and we will not be able to release too much information at the time being. Yeah, just stay tuned. But I can assure you that the metaverse is quite a strategic area that the Matrix will focus on for the year 2022. Yeah, and then just one more question. Um, Question from Sekem Maslub, very interesting. Again, it's about metaverse. It would be perfect if the Matrix artificial intelligence could produce virtual people, okay, in the metaverse, and the produced people were customer representatives. Could you share something concrete with us on the subject of metaverse and what the Matrix will do about it? Second, you are quite a genius. You mentioned
Yeah.
about the virtual people, and that's something. Okay, the proposal that we received is all about that. Yeah. Okay, I will hand over this question to you, Open.
Yeah, it is a very good business idea, I think. Yeah, that's what we are planning to do. Yeah, there is one listing company in China who the like to who is was coming for us to ask help. Maybe we can build a platform together in the metaverse, which is exactly doing the same as you said, the producing virtual people. Yeah, I think would like to continue to make this happen in the future. Yeah, so maybe we can make it work if we have the deal with the listing company. Then maybe we can share more information with you.
Yeah, definitely would be very exciting project aside from the AI artist. So just stay tuned with us for more updates about AI artists and also about the metaverse. And metaverse will be our strategic area that we will focus on for the coming year. And likewise, the AI artist will provide the best support to the ecosystem partner on this. So second, okay, we are in sync. Okay, so I think that's all for today's AMA. Thank you, Owen, for your time joining this AMA, and I'm sure next year, 2022, will be more exciting than 2021. Basically, 2021 is for us to tidy up, to deliver as per roadmap, and for the next year, 2022, we'll focus on develop something more exciting based on what we have delivered in 2021. So it will be a year more exciting and more fruitful. So please do enjoy the adventure with us. Thank you, Owen. Thanks to the community for watching
Thank
this
you.
AMA video. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Eric.
Bye.
Thank you, community. Happy New Year to everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.